Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the MJPOWER 65W AC adapter designed for Jackery portable power stations, including the Explorer 160, 240, and 290, as well as the Honda 290 and 200 models. This charger is a perfect replacement for the Jackery power adapter model, ADS65HI12N2, and comes with a 10 feet long cable for added convenience. What sets this charger apart is its wide compatibility, working seamlessly with various Jackery models and Honda power stations, except for the Explorer 1000 Pro, Explorer 1500, and E1500 Pro. The input range of 100-240V and 65W output ensures efficient and fast charging, making it a reliable power supply for your portable stations. Safety is a top priority with this charger, holding UL/FCC RoHS certifications. The V0 grade flame retardant material, along with overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protections, guarantees a secure charging experience. The LED indicator light adds a user-friendly touch, indicating the charger's operation status. With level 6 energy efficiency, this adapter maximizes usage while minimizing energy consumption. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and its anti-interference feature ensures a stable charging process. The smart chip provides overheating protection, and the high-quality wires contribute to overload protection. In conclusion, the MJPOWER 65W AC adapter is a reliable and safe choice for your Jackery and Honda portable power stations. It's well-built, adheres to top industry standards, and comes with a 12-month warranty. If you're looking for a high-quality charger to enhance your power station experience, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.